NEC Article 250.104b dictates where a bonding jumper must be installed. Specifically, it states that a bonding jumper shall be installed at the first means of disconnect for each service, feeder, or branch circuit that is connected to the equipment grounding conductor. However, exception No. 5 to 250.104b offers an exception to this rule. This exception states that where all branch circuits are supplied from a single panel board or similar distribution equipment, and that panel board or similar distribution equipment is grounded by a grounding electrode conductor, a bonding jumper need not be installed at the branch circuit, panel board or similar distribution equipment. Considering a scenario such as a 48-unit condominium, it is crucial to understand how these regulations apply. The disconnect located on the ground floor serves as the first means of disconnect for the branch circuits that supply the entire condo building. Because the grounding electrode conductor is connected at this disconnect, a bonding jumper is indeed required at that point. Moving further into the building's electrical system, the load center situated on the ground floor does not qualify as the first means of disconnect for any of the branch circuits. The ground floor disconnect retains that designation. Consequently, the NEC does not mandate the installation of a bonding jumper at the load center. Although bonding the load center back to the disconnect would not introduce any hazards or negatively impact the system's operation, the NEC does not require it. To effectively communicate this understanding, consider the following explanation. Begin by emphasizing that the NEC mandates a bonding jumper at the first means of disconnect for each service, feeder, or branch circuit. The disconnect at the ground floor is indisputably the first point of disconnect for the branch circuit supplying the 48-unit condo. Conversely, the load center on the ground floor does not fulfill the criteria of being the first means of disconnect for any branch circuits. Conclude by reiterating that the NEC necessitates a bonding jumper at the disconnect on the ground floor, but not at the load center, as it is not the initial disconnect point.